Okay guys, I'm going to do this practice test, problem number 18. Now my 18 might be a little bit different than yours because there's different possible questions to get. So just hopefully doing this example will help you with one that might be a little bit different. So, okay. We have this reaction. Everything is aqueous except for the nickel hydroxide. Nickel 2 chloride reacts with 2 sodium hydroxide to make nickel 2 hydroxide and 2 NaCl. And you are given that there's 39 milliliters of sodium hydroxide at 0.250 molar concentration. And the question asks how much volume of nickel 2 chloride at 0.36 molar concentration will you need to completely react with the sodium hydroxide. So I'm going to start with what I have, which is the sodium hydroxide, and I will start with 0.250 moles per liter, because remember molarity is moles over liters, and that is of the sodium hydroxide. And I'm going to multiply by the volume of sodium hydroxide I have, and I'm going to do that in liters. That's 0.039 liters of sodium hydroxide. So the liters will cancel. Now I have moles of sodium hydroxide. Here's where you use the mole to mole ratio. It's 2 moles of sodium hydroxide per 1 mole of nickel 2 chloride. And now I want to get volume in liters, so I'm going to use the concentration that I was given on the nickel 2 chloride to finish this out. And so I've canceled moles of sodium hydroxide. My moles of nickel 2 chloride are in the numerator, so I need them to cancel, and I'll put it in the denominator. And so it's 0.36 moles of nickel 2 chloride per mole per liter of nickel 2 chloride. And when you multiply all of that out, it's 0.25 times 0.039 divided by 2 divided by 0.36, I get 1.35 times 10 to the minus 2 liters. Multiply that by 1,000 to get milliliters, and I need 13.5 milliliters of nickel 2 chloride.